Can you say some more, Dylan? Yeah? Are we going to change your diaper? Is it diaper changing time? Yeah, you seem to like that a lot more now. Yeah, you like it here, don't you? You get real talkative when it's time to change your diaper. Yeah. Say some more. Can you tell us more? Okay. Say bye-bye.